Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your business model with Uber, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding your current business model is essential for recovery. Identify the challenges your business faced during adverse events. Assess your revenue streams and evaluate their sustainability. Research how Uber adapted its business model during crises. Explore the concept of a flexible service model. Consider implementing on-demand services to meet customer needs. Analyze how Uber leveraged technology for operational efficiency. Invest in a user-friendly platform or app to facilitate transactions. Focus on establishing strong partnerships with suppliers and service providers. Evaluate your pricing strategy in relation to market. Utilize customer data to personalize experiences and improve retention. Promote transparency and open communication with your customer base. Adapt your marketing strategy to emphasize safety and reliability. Create a plan for scaling operations as demand increases. Implement feedback mechanisms to gather insights from customers. Continuously monitor industry trends to stay competitive. Assess the impact of your changes regularly and adjust as needed. Maintain flexibility in your business approach to respond to market shifts. Foster a culture of innovation within your team to encourage new ideas. Develop training programs to upskill employees for changing roles. Document each stage of your recovery process for future reference. Commit to a long-term vision while navigating immediate challenges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.